It's March 13, 2023. We're just coming into Bar Harbor on our way over to the hospital where I am hopefully going to get the staples removed from my incision. As we come in here on Eden Street, and as usual, pretty much everything is still closed. Very quiet here. Slightly different perspective than usual because I still can't drive, so my wife is driving. We're coming up here to Main Street, where since we're going to go to the grocery store first, so my wife is going to make a left. My appointment isn't for an hour and 10 minutes. Street. All right. Don't turn on Cottage because of the one-lane blockage down there. You'd have to take a detour, so go all the way down. Here we go. A lot of cars parked here, but basically nobody walking around. Everything is still closed. As we come through, it's a nice day. It's 41 degrees here in Main Street, downtown Bar Harbor, on Monday, the 13th of March, 2023. Just go straight. You can't get through there. You can't. They have it blocked off right before the supermarket.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes. Okay, here we come down to the waterfront. And Bar Island across the water. Through sort of Hotel Row down here, and it's very quiet because nothing is open. Pretty quiet here today in Bar Harbor. Okay, just keep going. Sign where you can turn left. As we come up here on West Street, and we're going to head over to the supermarket from here. And now we'll go up and make a left on Cottage, at this stoplight, and then we'll be at the supermarket. Woohoo! And here we go. Okay, here we go. We're out of the supermarket, heading on Cottage Street back to Maine. So we'll get another look at Main Street. Pretty quiet here in Bar Harbor today. It's a little after 2 p.m. My appointment is at 2:30, so I think we'll make it. As we come down here. Whoa, we stopped for a pedestrian. Tourist season must be starting already.
I guess so.
Oh, looks like the ice cream shop is open.
No
So
more.
if you're in the mood for an ice cream here on a hot Monday afternoon, 41 degrees. I'm a little sweaty from moving around. So you can grab an ice cream to cool off. And as we get up here, I'll show you the Village Green, which is still, well, mixed. Some white and a little green here and there. But we're supposed to get more snow tomorrow. Just keep going, you don't have to slow down here. And I'm going to come down here. All the hotels still closed. They're working on them, but other than that, they're shut down. And we're going to be over to the hospital so I can go and get rid of this nice jewelry / body piercing setup I've got on my right knee. Well, that was quick. The surgeon took a look at my knee, said other than being a little swollen, it looked good. And he removed the body piercings that he had put in, so I am now free of those. Did replace them with steri strips, which is good because they'll keep me from stressing the incision. And take another look here at the Village Green, which is going to stay fairly green until tomorrow when it's supposed to snow anywhere up to 8 inches again. And here we go. We're going out Eden Street as we are headed back over to the supermarket for a little clarification of something. Harbor is pretty quiet this afternoon, as you can see. Through on Holland Avenue, which is a very narrow street. It is two-way, but there are places where you need to sort of pull into a driveway or something if somebody is coming the other way. And we'll go down this to Cottage, which is about 2 blocks. Right up here at the stop sign, we'll make a right and head back over to the supermarket. So I'll stop until we get in there. Okay, so that's Bar Harbor today. It's very quiet. Not quite my usual drive-through because my wife is doing the driving and she didn't want to go where I wanted her to. Anyway, so I went into the orthopedic surgeon's office, saw the surgeon. He took a look at my knee, had me bend it and straighten it. Said it looked pretty good. Said I was, 95 to 100 degree bend is what he estimated. He didn't measure it. And then he pulled the staples, which was surprisingly pain-free, except for one of them, which was not. But it wasn't a big deal. And he didn't put a dressing on. All he did was put about a dozen steri strips across the incision. And basically they'll do the same thing as the staples did, and over a period of a couple of weeks they will gradually come off. And because the staples bled a little when they came out, about 4 of them bled just a little bit, I think that I'm not going to be showering for a day or two until I get finished with that. So anyway, that's a quick look at Bar Harbor today, the 13th of March, 2023, the last snow-free day for a while, and an update on what's going on with my total knee replacement. And this is the last day of the second week after my surgery. My surgery was 14 days ago today. So, hope you enjoyed this little look at Bar Harbor and weren't too annoyed by my condition update. Thanks for watching.